let me introduce to you a new vape. It is called Night Rider Vape. This is the device, and this is a disposable pads. So first, let's unbox this first. So open the box. You can see a device. So this is what it looks like. Night Rider is like a what you call transformer. It's a new design for Night Rider vape. So let's put aside this, and secondly, this device. Let's see inside the box. So this is what it looks like. Disposable pads. So I chose flavor. This is a Cola Ice with a 15K pops. So it says here it is a 10 ml, 10 milligram. So this is my first time to taste this flavor. I think I Cola Ice. So let's remove the cup here and the sticker. So let's put it on. So by the way, it's a USB Type-C, and this is a battery indicator. This, as you can see, 100%. So let's taste this. So it's strawberry cold menthol. It's like a Pepsi Cola if you drink. It's so very sweet. So I think this is guaranteed 100%. So that's all. So any suggestion for this? So that's all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.